Hello there, George Gamlin here, one of the technical customer success managers here at Ardoq. And today I'm going to be walking you through a dashboard overview to create and visualize certain data around key architecture topics. So let's say that we want to get a grip on our application portfolio and see the key data that is surrounding this. So when I come into creating a dashboard, I want to go to the analytics and dashboard overview page. And from here, I will see all previous dashboards created, or of course, be able to create a new one. This then allows me to add widgets, headings, notes, and create that visualization, as I say, to give the best story on the information within Ardoq. So for this example, we give our dashboard a name and we can absolutely describe what our dashboard is going to be showing us today. I save those changes and that's now giving me the ability to create my widgets. As mentioned, I can add charts, headings, and notes. Today we're going to focus on charts and the variation of these. By adding new charts each time, I create a widget and have the ability to edit through the pencil, or it will populate on the right-hand side when adding a new one. For each of our charts, we want to select key data to ensure that we are focusing around a certain report or survey in order to draw the information out of. So for this example, we'll take our application portfolio total. This is going to be looking at the total apps that I have within Ardoq, and I'm going to select a number chart. That is then going to very quickly draw up all of the data from that report and show me I have a total of 146 applications. I save that and I can add a secondary. Now, it might be that I'm also looking to see out of those applications, which of them don't have owners. So I can filter down within reports as well by simply selecting filters. I can see on the left-hand side all of the information within my report, and using the add filter button, allow myself to then give me the values that I'm looking for. So I actually want to see which of these are unowned as an application status. Apply that filter. And again, I want to select a number chart. So I can now see that 15 of my apps are missing owners. What's really cool about these widgets is we can also add in conditional formatting. So it might be that I am looking to have a certain amount of applications with missing owners that signifies to me that is a good count. For example, we have a RAG status, red, amber, green. It might be that anything greater than 5 is of an amber status. We know that obviously as well we have 15. So actually it might be that a bit above 10, I also, that wants to be red and this one wants to be 10. It then will turn to red. This means that obviously anything greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are going to be amber, and anything above that is then going to turn to red. I save those changes, and again, we now have a second widget. The third and final one we're going to look at is then looking at different styles of these charts, whether it's line graphs or bar charts. And it might be, again, that we're looking at that missing ownership and we want to see the trend of that ownership state. So this time, rather than filtering, I'm actually going to select a specific field to look at. So it's going to bring in all the information related to that field. This is going to be our ownership trend. And instead, we're now going to look at either a line chart, but as you can see, it doesn't give us the full information around each of those varying ownership states. So instead, we can look at a stacked bar chart. And this is where I can then start to see the variation and the split of those ownership states, whether they're owned, unowned, nominated, or of course managed as well. If I wanted to, I can change the data colors, totally optional and up to you. And when I save those changes, I can then view my dashboard. And within here, I can expand any widget to view that information at a little bit of a higher scale. So that's a very simple introduction to building a dashboard, looking at application portfolio as an example, whereby we have total counts, specifically filtered counts, and trends within that data set. We hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, or of course, check out the other YouTube videos in our tech series. Happy searching.